Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today's reading is about what is your person's desire towards you, and what they want to do to you, what they want to have a relation, which kind of relation they want to have to you with you. There are three piles. You have to choose between these three piles. I'm going to raise the pile number one. Okay, for those who choose the pile number one with this keychain, your first card is King of Air, and this is about. Okay, this is the person who likes the discipline. They want you to follow their rules, be a disciplined person. They want to command you. Okay, they don't want to listen to you. They only want to command you. They are the very expert person. They want you to be expert in your deeds, in your work, in your job. Okay, and they are a little bit forceful person. They will force their rules on you. They want to follow that rules. They want you to follow that rules. Yes, and okay, they are not the person. They will never compromise to you with you. You only can compromise with them. They not want to compromise with you. Okay, they want to tell you, they want to give you a command and you have to fulfill it. Okay, they are like that person. Okay, this person is a just and fair leader. He is a wise person and he thinks that you have to follow them. Okay, and this person is very clever. He is a hunter like person. He know what you are thinking, what is going on in your mind. They quickly get this. They are very wise person. Okay, and yes, they know that they are wise person. They can lead others and they want you to follow them. Whatever they are saying, you have to tell them that you are right, and you please never uh, fight with that person. They will never take it easy, or they will fight with you more. Okay, with this ace of wands, a new beginning, action towards that person, passion, love, attraction, willing to do something. Okay, and willing to begin new relationship with you, or you are willing to begin some new relationship with that person. Okay, or maybe this is invention, creation, creativity, procrastination. Okay, this is a new beginning for you. I think that this is your first marriage, or maybe this is the first person for you, and you want them to be happy. You want to make them happy. Maybe you need some guidance over here with this dragon, or maybe this dragon is guiding you to be polite with that person, be kind with that person. Okay, be like a spider, make your web. If you can't do it first time, do it next, second time, third time. You have to understand that person. Okay, if you want to spend the life with them, or have a relationship with them, you have to understand that person. Okay, okay, there is a justice in this situation. They also love you. It is not from one side. It is not one-sided love. This is from the both side. But the habits of that person, that person is they are the different person from you. Okay, and they want you to rule you. Okay, and okay, and there is a justice between this relationship. This is the wheel of fortune I am seeing over here, and You both are loving each other. This, you both are equally lucky for each other. Yes. And this person is a little bit childlike person. He wants you, he love you, he want to show it to you, but they are like a child. And that's why the way of proposing you, the way of telling you that they love you, it is different. Maybe they are they come to you and stand above you and tell you that I love you. Maybe this is their side of their thinking, that they will do this. Okay, it they will do it like this. Okay, or maybe they are lying to you about something, that they are not interested in you, or maybe they have a lot of money, and a big home, and they have nothing with them, but they are doing this just for you, to propose you, to get your love. Okay, they had sow their seeds over here, and now they already had, I think that they already had done something over with you. Okay, maybe they want the child with you, or maybe they want you to understand them, they want you to love them, like them, understand them. And there is a lot of abundance, happiness, uh, good things in this relationship. They want you uh, to have a good life with them, happy and good life with them. And this is the soulmate, but they are not your soulmate. You are different from each other, you are not like each other, not thinking like each other. They are both a different person. One is the king of air, and the other is ace of wands. You are a lot of you are quite a different person from each other. And yes, definitely there is a fusion of beliefs, styles, attitudes, energies in this relationship. And also, but there is there is a love, and the urge to protect other, urge to love other, take care of other. And you both have done a lot of things to keep this relationship. Okay, but this is one another card over here. Clean up time, clean up your mind, clean up your energies. Okay, you are each other's lovers, you are not the enemies. Okay, and that's why you have to love each other, to compromise with each other, to understand each other. Okay, snake, someone is this person, I think this person is not the person that he is a little bit toxic, and this person is not going to listen you anytime. Okay, this person only wants you to command, to give you a command, and they want you to follow their command. Okay, this person is a tough person, but they also like you, they also love you. Okay, it's up to you what you want to do with that person. And now this is all for you, my file number 1. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, then keep watching my videos. You surely get some help from there. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. I'm going towards my reading number 2. Okay. With this card, my pile number 2. With this card, integrity, they want you to open to them. They want you to tell them the truth, all about yourself, what you have done, what is happening to you, how is your life was, how was your life been, and or what are you going to do, everything. They want you to show your whole inner self to them, to open to them. Okay, don't hide anything from them. They want you to be true person. They want to take care of you, to protect you. That's why they want you to be open to them. Okay, and with this card, the sage upside down, and Okay, they want you to be absent-minded in front of them. Okay, don't think anything, don't think about anything else, just think about them, or like just a little bit absent-minded in front of them, and only take care of their that person, to love that person, think about that person. Okay, he want to talk to you. Okay, and or maybe they want you to talk to them, and they want to listen to you. Okay, and also, okay, and they also want, if you want something, if you have something in your mind, then tell them. Okay, tell them everything, be open to them. Okay, but be wise. Okay, uh, yes, they want you to open to them, tell them everything. Maybe you are not telling them everything, hiding things from them. Maybe you think that they will get nervous if they know something, some about some problem, and you are hiding something from them, and that's why they are telling you to be like that person, open to them. And then they judgment card upside down. Maybe they don't want to change you, they want you to as you are. They are telling you that be as you are, uh, be open to them, tell them everything that you have in your life that has done to you. Okay, and they want you to accept them as they are. Okay, they want you to accept them as they are, or they want to accept you as you are, vice versa. Okay, hermit upside down. Okay, oh, they don't let you go anywhere. They want you to live with them, to stay with them, to love them. They don't want you to think about any person else. Okay, or maybe they are not thinking about any person else. They are just thinking about you. They are just desiring about you. They are just loving you. Okay, okay, free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. Okay, okay, they are telling you, maybe they know that you are you're having a little bit problem with your life, something had happened to you. Now they are telling you, take control, they take back control of your life. Be free yourself, be an independent person, be happy person, be yourself and them happy, make them and yourself happy. Attraction, they are very much attracted towards you. They, you are like a rose to them, and they are smelling you, they are loving you, they are caring about you, they are enjoying to be you to each other. Good energy. Transition to the spirit realm. Okay, they are not giving you the time to think about anything else. they they just want you to be with them, to spend the time with them, look into their eyes, and talk about yourself or their self, or about your both loves. They are the good person. They are the person. The good person is, that is the family person. This person is dangerous for others, and they are a bigger lover, a bigger protector for their own family. They love you, they protect you, they want to protect you from others, they want to hide you from others. Okay, they don't want to harm you, they don't let anybody harm you, they love you a lot. Very good reading. Okay, this is all for you, my file number 2. If you want to know more about this situation and some other situation, then you can keep watching my videos. You surely get some help from there. Please like, share, subscribe. and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Why I'm going to the reading number 3. Okay, this person have a they think that you are their destiny. They want to make a life with you, they want to make a relationship with you, they want to spend their life with you. They are making it, they are doing it on their own, they are doing something over here. They want, they are, they think that you are their destiny. Maybe they are protecting you, they are praying for you. With this card, 2 of Swords. Okay, uh, uh, they are like two with you. They are, when they are with you, they are like two personality. They are having two personality. One personality, they are believing on you, they are happy with you, they like to spend time with you, and the other thing is that they are afraid of you. They think that they are, you are not in love with them, you are not attracted to that person. You uh, they are afraid that you might leave them. They have all these thinkings in their mind. Okay, uh, and then with this other card, 3 of Swords, they are getting knowledge about you, they are studying on you, uh, they are studying your habits, what are you doing, how you are talking to them, when your mood is how is your mood. Okay, and all about you, they are searching you, they are searching about your past life, anything. This person is very wise person. They want to have a good life with you, but they are afraid of something. That's why maybe you have done something and somebody tell them, and now they are afraid that you will leave them. That's why they are searching about you over here. Or maybe they are going to some tarot readers or some priest and asking for you abundance. Plus there is a lot of, they want to give you a lot of love, a lot of happiness, protection, love, money, home, everything. They want to protect you. Self, they have to work on their own self. They have to take some time and think about their own self, be, relax, and also think about their own self. If they think that they are quite they are too protective towards you, they have to little bit let you go, let go that thinkings, relax their mind. Okay, and with this card, 2 of Cups, 2 of Cups, definitely they are very much in love with you. They want you to be they want to share everything they have with you. Okay, their cup of drink, they want to share it with you. Their life, they want to share it with you. Okay, with this 2 of Pentacles, look, this 2 of Swords is clarifying by this 2 of Pentacles, and there they are they have duality in their mind. Also in this card, they they are making some decision about you. They are having the clarity about you, searching about yourself over here, and maybe they want to deceive you, they want to cheat you, or maybe they are, oh wait, okay, with these cards they are afraid that they are afraid that maybe you are going to cheat them, they are cheating them. It's what in their mind, they are thinking that. But whatever your and their wishes are fulfilled with you, their wishes are full with fulfilled by you. They are in love with you, they love you. That's why they only want you in their life. They know that you are maybe the person that have lot of girlfriends or boyfriends, but they are happy with you, with this one. They only want you, they are only looking at you. Okay. And codependency, yes, they are uh, they're addicted of you. They have an addiction of you. Yes, they want to only look at you, they want to be with you, look onto your face. Okay. True love, they have a true love for you, they truly love you. This is the romance of a lifetime. That's why they are afraid that if you are going to cheat them, if you are going to leave them, you are doing something. That's why they are afraid of that thing, because they are very much in love with you. They will surely see some light, some way towards the clarity, towards the truth, and count your blessing. They definitely know, or they think that someone is there who want to they, stole you from them. I think they know that, or maybe this is all in their mind, and their broken heart is not going to be mended, because they have uh, this thinking in their head, that this thought in their head, that you are not going you are going to break their heart. That's why, because they are thinking about this cheating, this thing. Why their heart is not mending over here. Ghosts of the past, and some past persons are coming to you, but this is not happening. Okay, maybe you have someone in your past with you, and you love them. Now they leave you, and you leave them, and you are with this person, and this person still think that you will sometime go with that person. That's why they are not happy with this situation. Or maybe this person wants to cheat you, but I think that for lots of you, they are afraid of this thing. They are afraid that you have a mask on your face. You're not telling them the truth, you are telling them the lie, or you are lying to them. That's why they are searching about your all what you are doing, and what you are telling them. They are thinking about these things. Okay, this is what I have for you, my pile number 3. If you want to know more about this situation and some other situation, keep watching my videos. You will surely get some help from there. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye.